guys, it's Tani. Welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 of my declutter, my makeup declutter. So today is the second drawer, which has mascara, eyeliners, highlighters, and like bronzers. So kind of like, yeah, whatever those ones are. There's a lot in here that I should throw out, but we will see if I can part with this stuff. So I am gonna get straight into it. I'm just gonna change my camera angle. So this is looking like a bit of a mess. I'm gonna do what I did last time and just start by taking everything out, and then I can filter it all back in. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with maybe the outside bit first, and then I'll do in here. Now the first thing I'm definitely gonna keep are my 2 setting sprays. So I have the Glam Glow Glow Setter Makeup Setting Spray and the Clinique Moisture Surge Face Spray. I absolutely love both of these. Okay, and then I might do my lashes. Now I think I will part with the, I don't even want to tell you how long I've had these for. So these are the Napoleon Purtis Luxe Mink Lashes. Now these were the really expensive ones, so I've like held on to them for a long time, but I have worn them way too many times. Like the glue is all just stuck on there, so I think I'm just going to get rid of that because that'll cause an eye infection, I think. What I will keep though is the MAC individual lashes. So these ones here, I've only used a couple of them, so we'll hold on to that. I will also keep the Huda Beauty Giselle lashes, so I'll hold on to those. And I'll hold on to, I do like these are just the half lashes. I think they're by Ardell. I just find them really comfortable to wear. And I will also keep my Ardell Wispies. I'm not really a lash person, like I never really put eyelashes on, so I don't wear them very often, but I just like to have a couple in case. As for lash glue, I have 3 different glues. I'm gonna get rid of the BYS as that irritates my eyes and I've had it for a long time. I'll keep the duo glue. It does irritate my eyes, however, I'm just trying to see what works and what doesn't. I'm gonna definitely keep the latex free, as this one didn't irritate my eyes last time I used it. Oh, and then just a few little random bits. These for festivals are like just little gems and like glitter and stuff, so I will keep all of that. Okay, now I might go on to highlighters. Yeah, so I'll get my highlighters. Alright, so we've got my highlighters here. Just go through, I think I'm going to keep them all, but we'll see. So the first one is the Clinique Illuminator. I'm going to definitely keep this one. It's just a very soft, subtle highlight, which I really like. I'll also keep the MAC Iridescent Powder in the shade Silver Dusk. That's really pretty, this one. Hold on to that. I'll also keep the MAC Soft and Gentle highlight. I absolutely love this one. One that I'm a bit unsure about is the Hourglass one. I've had this for a little while, but it's just not, I don't know, I'm not, actually that looks really nice when I do it there, but that looks nice. Can you see that? But I'll hold on to it just because it's Hourglass and I don't really have many Hourglass products. I'll also keep the Master Chrome highlight by Maybelline. A friend gave me this as a present and it is beautiful. I love that. I'll also keep the Bobbi Brown, and it's in the Bronze Glow shade. This one here, this is beautiful. I'll also keep this one, so the Strobe palette, I know what it's called, Hyper Real Glow palette by MAC. Alright, now I might go on to blushes. I'm going to keep all of these blushes. The only one I'd be a bit unsure about is the Milani one. I don't normally reach towards using this, but it might look good with a certain look that I do. So I'll hold on to all of my blushes. So I've got, because I'm not really a big blush person, like I don't have many, so I'll hold on to my Tarte one, which I actually have been really liking lately. And then I've got my cheek pops, which are my favorite. I love peach pop at the moment. This is really nice. I've also got the California blush, which I used to love, but I've kind of turned off it a bit lately. And then also my all-time favorite is the Blushing Blush in the shade of Glow by Clinique. So I'll keep all of my blushes. Now I'm going to get rid of this powder by The Body Shop. I got this when I was like 15. It's not my colour. It's way too dark. I don't know why I was matched to it, but I'm going to get rid of that. I've just had it for way too long. I will keep the Milani Baked bronzer. It has no pigment whatsoever, but it's really good when I'm pale, so I'll hold on to that one. And then my two favourite bronzers at the moment are the Clinique Sunkissed bronzer and then the MAC Gimme Sun. So I'll hold on to both of those. This is my very first contour and highlight palette. It's from Napoleon. So it comes with contour colour and then contour, blush and highlight. So I'll hold on to that one. Definitely going to keep my Hoola bronzer. I love this one. And I will also keep the Rimmel London bronzer too. It's a really good cheap bronzer to use. This. You know what, I'll hold on to this. This is the Heartbreaker bronzer by Sports Girl. It is so shimmery. It should be a highlight, not a bronzer, but I'll use it in case I want to whip it out for a weird look. I don't know. Last blusher is the cream blush by Clinique, the liquid one, sorry. So I'll hold on to that one as well. And now this is where I'm going to have to get rid of a lot, is my mascaras, eyeliners and brow products. Okay, so we'll just do the same thing. Filter everything out. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Let me clean this. So let's do eyeliners. Now, I'm going to keep all of these Chi-Chi ones that I bought as they're really fun colours and they're just fun to use. So this is the black one. Here we go. So I'm going to keep all of these. Really love these liquid liners and so cheap. I will get rid of is this one here. I don't even know what brand this is from anymore, but it is so old. So I think it's designer brands. I'll get rid of that one. I will keep the Razor Sharp liquid eyeliner by Urban Decay. This is just a cool white one, so I do like using that. I'm definitely keeping my Pretty Easy liquid liner by Clinique. I also have a backup ready to go as well, so we'll keep both of those in there. I'll keep my white pencil eyeliner as well. I like to use this in my waterline sometimes. I think I'm going to keep both of these by Clinique, the Intense eyeliners. I'm going to get rid of the Skinny Stick as I think I've had that a bit too long. And then I will also keep the Tarte eyeliner, this one here. So I've got those. Now that is, I think, all my eyeliners. Okay, now ones I definitely know I'm going to keep my cream products by Clinique. So I've got the cream contour, I have the cream blushes, and I also have the cream highlight. So I'm going to keep all four of those. Also keep the cream eyeshadow. I just bought this one by Clinique. Really like that one. Now, I definitely know I'm going to get rid of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. That's pretty much empty and it's also off. Same thing with the Chubby Lash mascara. Really like both of these mascaras. Will repurchase them as well. Just need to get those out of here. I will get rid of also the High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara by Clinique. I've got two of these, so I'll keep the big one. I'll get rid of the small because that's almost empty and I've had it for like over a year, so I'll keep the big one. I'm going to keep these mascaras for sure. So we've got Mini Bad Girl Bang. We have High Length Mascara, which is discontinued. Same with these two coloured mascaras by Clinique, but I do really like those still. I'll also keep the Damn Girl Mascara by Too Faced and the Climax Mascara by NARS. Oh, and I've got another coloured mascara by Clinique. Definitely the Lash Power Mascara. And then I've just got two minis I've been trying out. So one by Marc Jacobs and one by MAC as well. So I'll hold on to those ones. Now for, oh, and I've got a backup of my lash powder, so I'll keep that one, or my Clinique Fit mascara. Brows. Now, I haven't been the biggest fan of the Benefit pencils, but I do really love the 24-hour brow setter, the Ka-Brow, and also the Gimme Brow. I am still going to keep the pencils though, just to see if maybe they grow on me, I don't know. Oh, and I also definitely keep my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. Oh, I will get rid of the Chi Chi Brow Pomade though. This is cracking and just very old. It's all dried up now, so I'll get rid of that. Oh, eyeliner. I did just have a China Doll eyeliner by Napoleon. I just like to use that for like Halloween makeup looks and stuff, so I'll keep that. And then a few random products. Oh, I've got brow pencil by Clinique, Mecca Cosmetica, illuminating balm. I love that. I'll keep that. And then also a Revlon liquid eyeshadow. So I'll keep those, and then I've just got random bits and bobs that I throw in there. And I think that is it for this drawer. Okay, so that is done. Next time we will move on to all of my palettes, but I think that's a pretty good effort. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you are new. And I will see you for my next declutter. Bye.